Good afternoon, students. Our topic today will be density and relative density. Density, as you know, it is defined as mass per unit volume, and its SI unit will be kg per meter cube. SI will be kg per meter cube, and in CGS unit you can write it as gram per centimeter cube. In SI unit, it is kg per meter cube. CGS unit, it is gram per centimeter cube. Now, we can convert kg per meter cube to gram per centimeter cube. In order to convert kg per meter cube to gram per centimeter cube, you have to divide by 1000. And to convert gram per centimeter cube to kg per meter cube, you have to multiply by 1000. So this way you can change it. One more very important thing that you should know here about the density of water. And density of water is 1000 kg per meter cube. That in terms of kg per meter cube, density of water will be 1000, and in gram per centimeter cube, density will be 1 gram per centimeter cube. So this we have about the density. Now coming to the relative density. Now coming to this relative density is defined as the ratio of density of substance to density of water. That is density of substance to density of water. We can also write relative density as mass of substance by mass of water of equal volume. You take a mass of substance of certain volume, and for equal volume the mass of water should also be there. In that case, the ratio of both the masses will give you the relative density. You can see here, since relative density is the ratio of the same quantity, so it is a dimensionless quantity which has no unit. Relative density has no unit. You should know that relative density of water is 1. It is always 1. There is one relation, let us try to derive that relation, that density of substance by density of water is equal to mass of substance by mass of water. How has this come? It is very easy. Since we know the relative density is density of substance by density of water, and we know density is equal to mass by volume. So this density can be written as mass of substance by volume of substance, divided by density of water can be written as mass of water by volume of water. Now since we know that the volume of water and the substance are equal, we will get mass of substance by mass of water. Now from these two equations, that is from equation 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2, we can write density of substance, which can also be written in this way, by density of water is equal to mass of substance by mass of water. This is very important relation between density and mass, where you can directly use this relation while solving the problems. Now, one important thing about the relation between relative density and density. Relative density of a body is always equal to density of body in gram per centimeter. For example, if density of a solid is or substance is 2 gram per centimeter cube, we can write relative density is equal to 2. Once again, if we take density of substance equal to 2 gram per centimeter cube, relative density will be equal to 2. Then we have, and why has this relation come? Why can we write relative density equal to density in gram per centimeter cube? The reason is here, because relative density is equal to density of substance into density of water in gram per centimeter cube. Now in water, density of water in gram per centimeter cube is 1. So further we can write relative density is equal to density of substance divided by 1. Now you can see relative density has come equal to density of substance, but this should be in terms of gram per centimeter. And next day we will discuss more about determination of relative density using Archimedes principle, which again will be very important. Till then, thank you.